In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to post long photos on Instagram. Let's get started. First, you'll need to update your Instagram app. So launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. If you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch Instagram. Now you'll be directed to the home page. Click on the plus icon given at the top left. With that, your gallery will open up. Here you're gonna find this icon. Click on it. This will expand your image. This will be applicable only if you're uploading a single photo, but if you want to upload multiple photos, what you will need to do is select all the pictures, then click on next. Once you're in this page, look at the bottom left corner. Here you're gonna find small option, tap on it and choose portrait instead of square. Once you do that, all the photos will be posted in full size without cropping any part of them. After that, just tap next and share your post, and that's it. Now you know how to post full photos on Instagram. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.